Hi, my name is Ronit and she is Rutuja. When we wanted to make this house of ours, when we wanted to finalize the interior designers, we had explored a lot of options in the market. What had happened is most of them happened to be on the pricier side but lower side on the quality. They were kind of compromising on the best quality that were available in the market. So that's when we came across Dream Dots, where we found a better quality and a better price as well. So this was kind of a best available option in the market, and that's why we chose Dream Dots. It was also backed by a lot of other buyers and our site visits, etc. All of the options, all of the feedbacks were pretty good, and that's why Dream Dots was chosen. We were even given an option to come down to the factory and even see the materials that are being used for our particular flat itself, not like other examples. So that's why there was a higher comfort with Dream Dots. When you come across the quality that you can see here, I'm pretty much satisfied with the quality of materials used. The best part about Dream Dots was that we could just share our ideas, just like a layman, that this is what I could want. They were happy to implement it even after 3 takes, 4 takes. We went across, we went through a lot of options as such, finalized a few of them, and they implemented it pretty well as such. And especially during these COVID times, they were able to complete the entire interiors in the promised time. That was the best thing about them, and they never compromised on quality, and we can all see it even here as of today. So that's that. And if you say what is the best part about this house, if you could say, is what the kids' bedroom is, because it comes with a lot of colors. When you're tired after the entire day of office and you want to come and relax, these colors will bring smile to your face, and that's why it is the best corner of the house.
I think the best part has been while all this work was going on, I was expecting and wasn't allowed to go outside. So the comfort level with Dream Dots was that their designers, they came all the way down to our house to sit with me for various sittings and decide upon and narrow downing all the designs. That is one thing which I really liked about Dream Dots. Secondly, we have had this dream which we extensively researched, and I think they have given, they have materialized the vision what we had. So that is the best thing. Yeah, overall it has been a great experience with Dream Dots and with George. Definitely because of this COVID-19 situation, there were few hiccups, but like we say, together we win. So we have worked together, and finally this is the outcome.
So thank you Dream Dots for making our dream come true. Thank you so much.